how to use promo money on Prizepicks. So here's how it works. Promo money is also called bonus balance, and it's a special credit you received from offers or promo codes. Here you can see the current promos which are running, and how do you actually use this promo money or bonus balance. In order to use it, you don't have to do anything. It is going to be used first instead of your actual money from your account once you enter a lineup or create a lineup. You want to pick 2 to 6 players, choose more or less, and select your playstyle, flex, or power. Now, something that you need to know, you can't withdraw the promo credit itself, but it can be used. If your promo money is less than your entry cost, Prizepicks will use the promo balance first and then take the remainder from your real money balance. Some promo offers have time limits or conditions. For example, they gotta be used within 30 days. And that is pretty much how you do it. You will just enter a normal lineup and the bonus cash is gonna be used first. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.